Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. Say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street, when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within. Oh, I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. A lie. No, don't wanna live a lie. Live a lie. Ooh. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along.
So it's currently 7 p.m. and I'm going to be going down for the movie night. It's there every Wednesday. So I'm ready to.
Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. On the moon, I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon, dancing on the moon.
So right now I am back in the room and I'll be taking a shower and then I'll go to bed. Or watch TV then go to bed, one of the two. I'm not really a TV person, but we shall see where that goes. Yeah,
Weight of the world on your shoulders.
So while at the movie, that's where I also had my dinner. I had pork ribs and a cocktail called Gordon's England. Yeah, it's called Gordon's England. Let me start with the cocktail. The cocktail was very nice. It had such a beautiful color. It was gray and orange, but that did come out so well with the pictures since it was night time. But it was gray going into orange. The way it faded very nicely. And then when we went to the meal, which was pork ribs, they were very nice. They were tasty. What I loved about the fries, these ones were dry, but at the same time they were soft and crunchy. The pork was soft. It was easy to cut. Actually, I also loved the fact that they gave me an actual knife, because most places when you're going to eat such meals, let me say a steak, pork ribs, they give you a table knife, and sometimes a table knife might not be easy to work with as an actual side knife. So that was very thoughtful. It was easy to cut through the meat and the meat was soft and nice.
Ace B.
Valaarheey. If this is the kind of love that the old folk warn me about, I'm in trouble. I'm in real big trouble.
When you switch on your TV and you see me, I hope you listen to the song that I'm singing. I hope we catch up when you see me. We gon' turn it up before it gets started. Pretty girl, you forget it cause you're a bad girl. A bad girl, a bad girl, a fine girl. When you turn the whole party go turn on. Come on, come on, come on, yeah. Should I call 911, yeah. I can't wait on this bad vibe around,